Good morning, guys. Today we're going to show you how to swap out a headlight on a 2012 Chevy Equinox. We got a fix-it ticket because we had a headlight out, and so now it's time to do it. With a lot of cars, you'll pop the hood and remove some star wrenches to get at the bulb. With the Equinox, it's a little bit different. You're actually going to access the inside of the headlight from the window or the wheel well here. You've got this little compartment. It's held in place by a star screw, I guess. It's, I believe, a T20 size. So what you'll do is you'll go ahead and take your Allen wrench or your star wrench and remove that screw. So now once we have that screw removed, you'll go ahead and rotate that a quarter turn counterclockwise, and that cover will come off. And then what we're going to be looking for is a cup that looks kind of like this. So you'll reach up and you rotate that cup or protective cover again about a quarter turn counterclockwise, and this will come off. Once we have that off, you can see we've got access to the headlight itself back there. So you'll grab hold of that headlight, and again, quarter turn counterclockwise will get it off. Now what we'll do is go ahead and pull up on that clip to release the headlight, and then we'll do these steps in reverse order to put the new headlight back in. So now we're just going to go ahead and do those same steps in reverse. I don't know if you can see that, but we're going to clip the headlight back in, make sure that that protective lock-in clip locks on it. And now we have to do a lot of this kind of by feel, but we'll put the headlight back up in that hole. And then we're going to rotate everything. You'll feel it kind of fall into place, and then we'll have to rotate everything again a quarter turn clockwise now to relock it into place. So it may take a little bit, but if you have a camera, you can kind of use that to see, or if you can use your fingers to kind of feel what you're doing, it's not too difficult. Protective cap goes back on. Quarter turn clockwise. All right, and then finally we'll go ahead and put this protective cover back on. You're going to want to make sure you put it so that the hole here lines up so that you can put your locking screw back in place. Go ahead and put that back in. Use your wrench to tighten it back up, or your driver, and you're done. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to help. Go make it a great day.